by your side when the sun sets. I hope you still want me, I hope you still need me.
Sunday vlog. Just Mama, you think it's just coming? My leg hurts. Tell me sorry.
Somebody say!
Talking about
Pascal, but I don't know if whatever. It's rose. It's rose. This sweet. You want to buy it for
Vanessa's thread. You have to style her hair. So yeah, come with me for the day. So pretty.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. Better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets of Nadia. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what
I'm so hungry. Hunger want to kill me.
What is this for? Okay, you said that.
Since around 7 I woke up. I went there before 8.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing vlog now.
Your laptop. For 10 minutes for doing one. This is your
Now so
brand new.
I want to buy that laptop table.
That small one.
I want to put.
Okay, that's the because you're always on a bed, so.
Serious girl.
We know. Weird. Yes.
Don't worry, I'm sorry. Rita, thank you. Enter my vlog now. Thank you, mommy.
Never block me in real life.
Don't mind that, so yeah, I'm very unserious.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
I'm very tired.
I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Hi guys, this is my room for today. Yeah, even while I went for a wedding, like as a wedding guest, so I'm excited about this one. So yeah, this is where I'll be staying for today. Yeah, I have so many transitions to do, so this would be cute. This is the bathroom. Nice. Hi, it's me again, Mercy. Yes. This is so I'm making videos since it's so good.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. Better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking down the streets I'm naked. It's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my great makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. Get out of my life. I know what
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, it makes so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know the other girls will love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that too. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing more.
Every girl can take man by storm. The only girl that makes this world beautiful. They say black is beautiful. She's dark and lovely.
Vanessa, you not hug me, oh. No, I'm making a video.
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. and I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been a
Hi! Sister of the group. Yeah. Looking all gorgeous. Thank you.
Thank you.
throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. City from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me.
See 1,000 naira.
No, she can't use her
Praise the Lord.
But this is going to be the first assignment for the bride. You understand? But then I'm not going to be the one to anchor this. So it's going to be cut.
This way I don't turn my face.
Now this is what percent of okay. 0. But I do 80% alcohol. Get the golden cup for Paul.
We need one more cup for the couple. One more cup for the couple. It's toast. DJ, let's have it.
I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I